In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files using a link on a computer. By the end, you'll be able to generate a shareable link and choose the right permission, so others can view, comment on, or edit your file without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drivegoogle.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account. It helps to double-check you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one, so the right files appear. Once you're in Google Drive, find the file or folder you want to share. This can be anything from a single document to an entire project folder. Right-click the item to open the context menu, then click Share. This opens the sharing window, which is where you control who has access and what they can do. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, it often shows Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can access it. Click the drop-down in this section and choose Anyone with the link. This setting makes the file accessible to anyone who has the link, but it doesn't post the link publicly. It simply allows access if someone receives it from you, so be mindful of what you're sharing and who you send it to. Next, click the permission drop-down right next to it. You'll see three options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Choose Viewer if you only want people to look at the file without making changes. Commenter allows them to leave feedback and suggestions without altering the original content. Editor gives full editing rights, which is great for collaboration, but be sure you trust the people you're sharing with before selecting it. When you've chosen the appropriate permission, click Copy Link. This instantly copies the unique sharing link to your clipboard, so you don't have to highlight anything manually. Click Done to close the sharing window. Now, send that copied link to others. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a project management tool, or anywhere your team communicates. If you're sharing widely, consider adding a short note that explains what the file is and what level of access you've provided, so recipients know whether they can view, comment, or edit. That's it. You've successfully created a shareable link from Google Drive with the right permissions for your needs. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.